You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10.